Hello guys, this is Rashmi Sinha and welcome you all on my channel once again. As you can see, the board is designed with number system, and as we have already discussed in my previous videos that what is number system, then we talked on binary and all the four number systems, and then we learned how to do conversion from binary to decimal, then decimal to binary, and then octal to binary and binary to octal. So it's time to learn how to convert a number which is in hexadecimal and we are converting it in a decimal number. So before start this conversion, I would like to teach you one thing or make you remember that last time I told you that as the limit of a binary number is 0 and 1. This is the limit of binary number and the base is 2. So we have only 2 digits, so the base is 2. When we write about octal number, we have 0 to 7, and so total base is 8. And similarly, when we talk for hexadecimal, the base limit is 0 to 15. Hex means 16, 6 and decimal means 10. So it becomes 16, total 16. So limit of the hexadecimal is 0 to 15. Means your answer must come in between, not more than that. In binary, the answer always comes in 0 and 1. And in octal, always the answer comes in 0 to 7, not more than that. And its base is defined by 16. So any number which you got whose base is written 16, we call it hexadecimal number. So here you can see where from 0 to 9, we write the normal numbers. But when it comes to 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15, we write in alphabet. They are not written in a numbers. So suppose I have written, for example, a number 4, 1, 2, 3. So here we have 12 in between. So instead of 12, we will write, because you can see the 12 is shown by C. So instead of 12, we will write 4C3, and this becomes one hexadecimal number, and we will write like this. The base is 16. So now it becomes a hexadecimal number. Now I show you another number which is 1, C and E. As I told you, the C is 12 and E is 14. So now the actual number was 11214, and we have to convert this number by hexadecimal to decimal number. So you can see what I have written. I have written instead of E the 14, C the 12, and 1 is as usual 1. What we are doing, we are multiplying by, in our previous process as we have done in a binary. In binary we were taking 2 and in octal we were taking 8. But in hexadecimal what we will take, that the number is 16. So you are supposed to only take 16. 16 multiplied 14 with the power 0, because this is the least significant digit and this is the most significant digit. So next is 12 into 16 to the power 1, because powers will increase from right to left side. And this is 16 to the power 2. When you solve 16 to the power 0, definitely becomes 1. Remember, na? It was told you in previous videos, and as you already know by the maths book, that any number which contains 0 in the power, for example, if I write 8 to the power 0, then also it becomes 1. If I say f to the power 0, then also it becomes 1. If I say 10 to the power 0, then also becomes 1. And if I say 16 to the power 0, again 1. So 16 to the power 0 is 1, and when we multiply by 14, we'll get 14. And 16 to the power 1 is 16 into 12. So we multiplied it and got it 192. And 16 to the power 2 into 1, that is 256. So when we will total it, it will become 462, which is a decimal number. We have got now from this number to this number. This is the hexadecimal one and this is the decimal number. One more example to make you more clear. See, the number is 4D2 and D represents 13. Whenever you get a question of hexadecimal, they always written in this way, like 1F, like 1C3, like this they are written. You have to calculate by ABCD that which number it will come. So D comes 13 And similarly, I started the same process, 16 to the power 0, 1 and 2. And when we solve it, we got these numbers down and the total comes 1234, which is the decimal number. Hope you all get it. And if you have any problem regarding hexadecimal conversion, please mention down in my comment box. And if you're comfortable, I definitely get a thank you from you. So please give a compliment down also. Do like, subscribe, share my videos, and please share it to those needy children, those who are far away and required this videos, and they are also reading the same chapters. Now we are going to learn something about addition, then subtraction, multiplication, and finally division 1. So wait for the next screen. So now we have reached to solve the addition, subtraction, then multiplication, and the division area is a question mark. I'll show you later. But first, for the addition, subtraction, and multiplication, we follow simple rules, and the rules are written on the board. You must note down along with me. And if you already have the list, so please learn it. It would be very easy for you. Actually, it's too easy. See, I just expected a number A and B and then C. The answer will come. So as you know, the binary numbers are only 2, 0 and 1. So when we add 0 plus 0, automatically 0 will be the answer. 0 plus 1, 1, and 1 plus 0 is 0. And 1 plus 1, the answer will come 2, but you are not supposed to take 2. So instead of 2, what will you write? 10, because that's the binary number. In subtraction, we do the same. 0 minus 0 becomes 0, and 1 minus 0 and 0 minus 1. Both cases we found 1. And then 1 minus 1 becomes 0. So upper and the last one value is 0, rest 2 are 1. So this one you must learn, because this creates a problem for children sometimes. Actually, we have another trick also for subtraction, which I will later teach you in this same video. But first you note down, this is the easy one. Now in multiplication, if you do, so 0 into 0 becomes 0, and 1 into 0 0, and 0 into 1 becomes 0, and 1 into 1 becomes 1, as a normal multiplication you do in a maths. So these are the simple table which we follow before making the addition, subtraction, and multiplication. For division, we have any predefined rules, because that is without rule we can solve. So now look one example of the sum. Suppose we have a binary number 1000 and 1111. When you add it, it is too easy. 0 plus 1 becomes 1. All are 0. So you will simply add. But when 1 plus 1 comes, in this case, 1 plus 1 is 2. And what I told you, whenever you get 2, what will you write? 10. So you will write here 10. So your answer comes 1, 0 and 111. One more. Like 1 plus 1 is 10. Means because it's 2, so I have written 0. It will provide a number here, the carry goes, and then 1 will come down. Then again 1 plus 1 becomes 2, which is 10. 1 goes up. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, and when you solve a 3 number like this, 3, when you do the binary, what will come? See, 2 1s are 2 and 1. So this is 11. So whenever you get 3, you have to write 11, and whenever you get 2, you have to write 10. Okay. Now for subtraction, this is a number I have taken. 1 minus 1 is, when you minus 1, 0, 1 and 0, what answer comes? 1. When 1 is 1, both gives you 0. Then 1, 0 will give you like this same 1. And then finally 1 minus 1 is 0. So by this table, you will easily solve it, and without any problem and without any difficulty. One more example where you have to take a carry, like 0 will not minus 1. So in that case, we will think this 0 is a number 10, or you can think a 2. This digit is 10. It has 2 numbers, means 2, 1 it has. So it will give 1 value to this. Then 1, this will become 10. 2 minus 1 becomes 1. And then it will become 1. So 1 minus 1 is here. Again it will borrow, and then 1 left, and then 1 minus, it will not left any number. So this will become 0 and 1. I think you will find a problem in this. So I'll show you one easy way. Whenever you get a number, for example, I have a number 101 and I have to minus by 1. Suppose this is my binary number. what my process is, what I will do, I will solve this 101 in a normal number, my number. So what answer comes? C. 2 to the power 0, 1 and 2, and this will give you 2 to the power 0, 1, 1 into 1, 1, plus 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1 is, this will become 0, and 2 to the power 4 is, this is 4. So my answer comes 5. So this number is actually 5, and this 1 1 is 3. So this is 3. So 5 minus 3 is 2. And then what I will do, this 2 will become 10, because 2 will become 10. So my answer will come 10. So this is the one more easy process which you follow when you get minus numbers. You can do one thing, that you convert that number in a decimal, and then both the numbers decimal, you would subtract it simply like I have done, 5 minus 3, and then I got 2, and then I converted in a binary number. The third is a multiplication table, as I told you the table, and now you'll see it's too easy to do. 1 into the 1, 1 in 1, 1's a 1, then like this simply we solve, and you have to only struggle it while adding, like 0 0 is 0, but 1 and 1 is this place, 1 and 1 is 2, so it becomes 10. Again 1 will go up, so we will, here 1 is extra given, 1 more is, that's a 10, then 1, then again 10, and this one again 10. So this is the way we do. Now I'll show you the division one. Hey guys, when it comes in the term of this division, my simple process is to do this way. What I do, suppose I have a number this to divide by this. What I will do, I will convert this number first in a binary decimal number. So this will become 13. And this will become 5. So I have to divide 13 by 5. So I have divided by normal process, and I got remainder 3 and quotient 2. So this is my remainder, which is 3, and this is my quotient 2. So I have written simply in terms of binary, and 2 becomes 10 and 3 becomes 11. So my answer came like this way. I force you, or you can say request you, to solve by this way, because this is the easiest way and the safest way of division. You may apply the same way in subtraction also, because that will give you sure, always correct answers without an error. So hope you understand this chapter, and for all queries you are most welcome. Do like, subscribe and share my videos as usual you are doing. Stay safe home. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.